Geopolitical escalation in the Strait of Hormuz is increasing pressure on global markets. The US and Iran are exchanging strikes, European indices are moving lower, investors are increasing demand for Bitcoin, while Meta is changing Instagram's privacy rules. Where to look for trading opportunities? The US and Iran exchange strikes in the Strait of Hormuz area. Drone attacks, missiles, and incidents involving vessels heightened tensions. Oil and gold prices are rising amid fears of supply disruptions, while investors are moving into safe haven assets. Conclusion: priority should be given to trading oil, gold, and safe haven currencies, with a focus on news-driven volatility and short-term market movements. The Stoxx 600 and FTSE 100 indices are falling, following Donald Trump's renewed threats to raise tariffs on the EU and the escalation of tensions near the Strait of Hormuz. Geopolitical risks and pressure on global trade continue to increase market uncertainty. Conclusion: trading volatility and news-driven movements remains the key strategy, with special attention on indices, EUR to USD, and safe haven assets. Bitcoin ETFs continue attracting large capital inflows, while gold-backed funds are experiencing outflows. JPMorgan notes growing institutional demand for BTC and rising interest in cryptocurrency as a safe haven asset. Conclusion: trading around key levels and momentum strategies remain relevant, with a focus on Bitcoin, ETFs, and high volatility setups. Meta is disabling end-to-end encryption in Instagram messages, regaining access to user conversations. The decision intensifies the debate around privacy and increases investor focus on risks within the technology sector. Conclusion: focus remains on big tech stocks, trading news related to regulation, and heightened volatility across the technology sector. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss important market news and trading opportunities. Stay ahead of the markets with us and use current events to trade more effectively. You can also open a demo or live trading account using the link in the video description or in the profile header. See you next time.